Nagsama-sama ang iba't ibang liga ng mga kolehiyo at universidad sa bansa para sa kauna-unahang CHED All-Star Basketball Friendship Games. Ayon sa Commission on Higher Education, patikim ito ng pinaplano nilang National Tertiary Games. Ang mainit na balita hatid ni Nico Wahe.
Sa isang pambihirang pagkakataon, nagsama-sama ang ilang college at university league sa bansa para sa first CHED All-Star Basketball Friendship Games na inorganisa ng Commission on Higher Education. Yan ay bilang pagdiriwang ng International Basketball Week kasi itong 3-day basketball single round-robin tournament kung saan kada liga ay may isang school na magre-represent. St. Clair College of Caloocan na nagrepresent ng National Athletic Association of Schools, Colleges and Universities o NAASCU. University of Northern Philippines naman mula sa Vigan ang para sa State Colleges and Universities Athletic Association o SCUAA. Local Colleges and Universities Athletic Association o LCOA naman ang nirepresent ng pamantasan ng lungsod ng Marikina o PLMAR, habang Amando Cope College mula Tabaco Albayang kumatawan sa PRISAA o Private Schools Athletic Association.
To bring them together in the spirit of friendship, in the spirit of competition, to really celebrate the ability of the schools to produce very good athletes, their ability to provide quality education.
Sa opening ceremony kahapon, pinangunahan ni Chairman De Vera at Senate Committee Chairman on Sports and Health, Senator Bongo ang torch lighting. Isang exhibition game muna ang ginanap sa pagitan ng mga all-star team mula sa dalawang Premier Collegiate League sa bansa na National Collegiate Athletic Association o NCAA Philippines at UAAP o University Athletic Association of the Philippines. Panalo ang NCAA All-Stars 105-97.
It's also a way of bridging the gaps between the athletic associations. After all, it's supposed to be a breeding ground for the Philippine national team and for the professionals as well.
To have the best talents in one roof in one day is very big. Definitely, it's a good gesture. So definitely, this is a celebration of our platform.
Para sa ibang mga liga, challenge ito para mas lalong matansya ang kanilang kakayahan.
Para may mga inspirasyon na makalaban sila, tsaka para pagdating po namin doon, marami kami pong matututunan.
Ayon sa CHED, ang ganitong mga laro ay preview lang sa mas malaki nilang pinaplano na pagsamahin ang lahat ng tertiary school sa bansa sa iisang liga.
Merong batas ngayon na malapit na makapasa, yung the tertiary games. Pag natuloy yan, natutuwa kami kasi merong mechanism to organize all the schools in the whole country in sports competition.
Bukas magaganap ang finals ng CHED All-Stars Basketball Friendship Games. Nico Wahe, nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.